Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate Modern Jive routine clip. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing 4 moves: the slow comb, a first move double step, first move slide, and a first move touch step, all together as a nice kind of way in and a way of combining things that maybe don't make too much sense on their own. All of those have clips of their own, so head off, learn those moves if you don't know them already, and now we'll put them together. So the whole lot together looks like this. In fact, we'll give you this view, I think. Goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you do a right hand switch there, you can go back into some kind of cone move again if you want to join the end of the routine back to the beginning. So let's break it down. We start off right to right. For our return, that's going to be our slow comb. As we comb over, left arm goes around. As we come back around, we switch, taking our weight over to the right, collecting with the right. We take our weight left, taking a hand on the shoulder, we go back to the right, and then we step away. So we now got that left hand down low, right arm around the lady, and we're actually in a perfect position to go straight into the double step of a first move double step. So we're just going to go forwards and go 1, 2, 1, 2. We can do the twist out of the first move and straight into the slide. So we go slide, slide. We're not going to twist out, we're just going to go straight into our touch steps. So we're going to touch in close, touch out, transfer, touch in close, touch out, transfer, and instead of touching in close again, we're going to do the twist out to finish off. In, under, switch hands if you want to go back to the comb, return, and if you were wanting to comb, it would be there, otherwise it's just a step away. So let's think about some numbers for that. We go back 1, returning 2, combing 3, over to the left 4, taking the hand off the shoulder as we go back to the right 5, right foot needs to be between the lady's feet at this point. We come back 6, forward 7, then the double step 8 and 1, twisting out 2, we slide 3 and 4, touch 5, touch 6, transfer 7, touch 8, touch 1, transfer 2, twist out, in, under and face, return, and you're done. Familiar territory. So let's have a go together. We go right to right, nice and slow. 5, a 6, start with the slow comb. We go a back, return, and a comb. Over, pick up the hand, we go back, forwards, double, double, twist, and slide, slide, touch, touch, step, touch, touch, step, twist, twist, turn, face, return, and back. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another intermediate Modern Jive clip. And if you've liked it, like the video. If you want to know when a new video is coming out, subscribe and hit the bell, and you'll get a notification each time. Recommendation on the end, we'll give you some music to practice to. Happy dancing.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some Modern Jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance Modern Jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.